Yes. Now, chapter electrochemistry we are studying. Now, this is a part 4 video of electrochemistry. Now, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 video was on introduction, and second electrolysis and electrolytic cells. Third video was based on quantitative aspect of electrolysis, or that is the Faraday law of electrolysis. Okay. Now in Faraday first law, right, and second law, these are the two laws. Okay. Now this is a fourth part video of electrochemistry, and we will solve one numerical of NCERT, that is a numerical number NCERT and exercises 13.16. okay, what is this problem? According to this problem, see, right, three electrolytic cells A, B, C, right, containing electrolyte, zinc sulfate, silver nitrate and copper sulfate respectively were connected in series. A steady current flow of 1.50 ampere, right? To see this, what is this numerical? See, this is the NCERT text index problem. So it is this numerical saying 3 A, B and C. A, B, C, right? A, B, C, these are three electrolytic cells. A is zinc sulfate, okay, it is containing electrolyte zinc sulfate, and B silver nitrate, and C is the copper sulfate. So these are the electrolyte, okay, these are the electrolyte, and one condition ki they were all connected in series. ABC electrolytic cells, electrolytic cells, they are connected in series, okay, they are connected in series, ABC. Now this is a cell B, and see, one condition is there, a steady current of 1.5 ampere, okay, a steady current is flowing, current of 1.5. So here is question, a steady current was flowing passed through it, okay, a steady current through them until in 1.45 gram, right, 1.45 gram of silver were deposited, right, 1.45 gram silver were deposited, right, at cathode of cell B, at cathode of cell B. So this is a numerical cell, right? So this is a silver nitrate. It is saying the quantity is 1.45 gram. So we will have to calculate two things. Number one, time, and second, mass of copper and mass of zinc, okay? So mass of copper and mass of zinc deposited, zinc, okay? So in this numerical we have to calculate how long current did the flow, right, how long time current did the flow. Second part is what mass of copper and zinc deposited at get deposited. So these things we have to calculate. So this is complete numerical. First point, this is a steady flow of current and they are connected in series. Now in cell B, A, B, C, So before starting numerical, what we will do? First we will calculate the charge with the help of ES silver B. Okay. After calculating the charge, we will calculate the mass of zinc and mass of copper sulfate by using Michael Faraday's second law of electrolysis. Now see, we are going to start this numerical. Very simple. Suppose there is a cell B. See, the reaction takes place in B cell. So this is a cell B. Now reaction takes place as cell B. So simple work, that is a silver nitrate bracket Ag ion plus NO3 ion. Now electrode reactions at cell B, so silver ion will take up one electron and it will form this silver. Okay, so we all know atomic mass of silver approx is 108. So here is E is a 1 Faraday. Clear? So simple mass, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 Coulomb. Okay, so 1 mole of electron is equal to 1 Faraday. So put here and this is a mass. Clear? So first we will calculate the charge with the help of this cell. So according to this equation, 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of Ag is equal to 108 gram. Okay, this is the case. 1 mole of silver is equal to 1 mole. Now see this, 108 gram of silver contains charge 1 Faraday or 96500 Coulomb. So 1 gram of Ag, right? So 1 gram, so 96500, it will go up 96500 upon 108 Coulomb. Now we have to calculate 1.45 gram. So 1.4, we have to calculate this value of 1.45 gram. Use unity method to calculate this. Very simple. 50 upon 108 multiplied by 1.45. So calculate it. So simple mathematics involved. So approx value will come 1259.6 okay, when we will calculate 1259.6 Coulomb. So this value will come. This is a charge 1.95 1295 value will come approx 1295.6 Coulomb. Okay, so this is a charge. We have got it. Now after getting the charge, come to these key. How question is number 1 saying time, how long. Our first part is how long did the current flow. Question is T, we have to calculate T. So T formula we know, Q is equal to I into T. Okay, so T is equal to Q. Q value is given 1295.6 upon I, that is I is given here. See, this is a I, 1.5. Current is given 1.5, put this value and multiplied. So it will come 863 second. Okay, so time will come, and this second we will also convert into the value minute also. So this is a time 860 second. Okay, so this is the answer of first part. Okay, answer of first part. Now in second part it is asking what mass of zinc get deposited, what mass of copper zinc deposited. So simple, this side we can calculate in electrode reaction at A. Okay, in cell A. So see the electrode reactions. Similarly same. Zinc ion. This is a zinc ion will take 2 electrons, deposit zinc. So we have to calculate the mass. Okay. So 2 Faraday means 2 into 96500 Coulomb will get atomic mass zinc 560.5.3 gram. Okay. So 1 Coulomb we have to calculate unity method. So here how much? So we have to calculate 1295.6 Coulomb. So multiplied by 65.3 upon 2 into 96500 into 1295.6. Okay, when you after solving this, so answer will come very close to after solving this, so answer will come 0.38, okay, gram. So mass, you can write, report the value. Time is 863 second. Mass of zinc, that is coming 0.438 gram, okay, 0.38 gram. Now in this way we have calculated in cell A. Now C, mass of copper, the same method in cell C. Copper sulfate, same method. This is electrode reactions, copper solid. So we know 2 into 96500 coulomb require 63.5 gram. So similarly, charge is 1295.6. So this value we can write here, calculation. So 63.5 upon 2 into 96500 into 1295.6. So get the value. So after calculating the value, so answer will come approx here. Report the answer. So according to this, it will come 4.26 gram. Okay. So this is a numerical, student. So here we have used Faraday law of electrolysis, second law. So this is the question and this is the answer. So first is very simple. This is a question connected in series. Current is given, steady current, and this amount of get is depositing. Calculate this charge. Okay. So this is the charge, 12956 coulomb. Okay. And second time, how long did the current flow? That is a 863 gram. First answer. And zinc mass is this. And what is the mass of copper? That is of 0.426. So this is a gram. So this is the answer. Okay. So this problem is very simple. Now, okay. So now next video will be based on electrochemical cells. See you, children. Bye bye. Okay. See you.